everybody. Welcome. Come inside. We got some tips and part 2 of what we shared yesterday about our soccer day. So we got
Jordan
on this side and we got
Jasmine
on this side. And I'm Terry Fujii and we're coming to you from Honolulu, Hawaii. So yesterday was our second week of soccer, and yes, we are total newbies, and yes, we know that everyone on the team takes turns getting medals, but we're super excited because some of us didn't want to be on the field to play and kept staying on the side. So when she finally made a choice and an effort to get into the game,
It is me.
Oh, was it you? Okay, you know I'm talking about you? Okay, so when she finally went in, she did really good with her sister. So they did well yesterday. And show everybody your medals one more time.
Cheese.
Cheese. Yeah, so we're super excited. So it was perfect timing for the girls to get their medals on the second week. So we have some tips because yesterday we missed something very important. And it was, it's going to be tip number 1. So tip number 1, don't forget the sunscreen. So yesterday was really hot. And I felt so bad we forgot the sunscreen and we didn't put it on them to begin with before leaving the house. So tip number 1, don't forget sunscreen. And tip number 2, have a good water bottle. We have girls and they like Minnie Mouse. And we like the color pink. So of course we're going to have this water bottle. Show your water bottle. Show your water bottle. This one. Okay, show your water bottle. Okay, and then we put, where's your red ones? Where's your red one? So we put flavor, we flavor their water because nobody just likes drinking plain water. So it's caffeine free, helps with their electrolytes, and gives them energy. So win, 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 win. Okay. What else do we have? Everybody needs good shoes. Show everybody your shoes. Show your shoes. Again, we like pink. So we went to the soccer locker that's in Kapuhulu on Oahu. Friendly. They were very good, patient, and we got pink, or at least pink on our shoes. So that's always helpful. So Jasmine thinks she's wearing Bambarina shoes. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Because that's my ballerina shoes to go basketball.
Yes, and not all soccer. Not all feet are created equal. So make sure you try it on really well. Walk around the store before leaving, because if not, you'll make 2 trips to the soccer store. All right. So number 4, shin guards. We need shin guards. Show everybody your nice shin guards. Shin guards. Show your shin guards. All right. Of course, we got black and pink to match. Gotta be stylish on the field, right? Okay. Tip number 5. Not all of us are good at putting the tents for the parks and sports. So make sure you have a big umbrella, because when it's time for break or water break and the kids come in, keep them under the shade as much as possible, because like yesterday it was a very hot day in Hawaii. All right, so do something fun with your kids. Make a fan. So we did our own arts and crafts. So here's our fan. Here you go.
This is my fan.
Yeah, look at our fans. Here you go. Jasmine is playing with her shoes. She's trying to tie her shoelaces. So we have our fans that we created, and we went like this. Woo! Okay, so that's our tips for newbies like us. If you're a newbie to soccer, that's just make sure you don't forget the sunscreen and water bottles. Okay, and we just want to leave you with one song on your Shave Ice Sunday. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. I am stuck on Band-Aid, 'cause Band-Aid stuck on me. All right, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Have a nice Malasada Monday. Take care.